The Allianz Blue Eagle initiative helps you identify and fix some simple home maintenance issues in your house, creating a safer home for you and your family. Today, I'm popping by some Aussie homes to see how they're going. Tanya, lovely to see you. I'm here to talk about home maintenance, and I'm always concerned about showers leaking into the room next door or blocked drains in bathrooms. Should we start there and take a look?
Do you want to come inside?
I'd love to come inside. Thank you very much.
It's a mess.
That's all right. I assumed it would.
That's hurtful but accurate.
Well, Tanya, I'm very impressed. No peeling paint, no water stains. You cleaned up for me, didn't you?
No, it's always like this. I'm a really clean person.
Well, it's very good, but there are a couple of things that we probably need to address. Missing grout over there, that needs a redo, easily done. Hardware store, bit of DIY love, and you'll be sorted there because really constant exposure to water, heat, condensation makes your bathroom a little bit of a hot spot for maintenance issues, and mould, rot and water leaks can cost you thousands of dollars if they go undetected.
I do not have thousands, so let's get that sorted.
Okay. The other thing I really want you to do is check your drains in your shower, your floor waste, your vanity and your bath for hair build-up, because that can create big blockages and that makes big problems.
Yeah, don't zoom in on that then.
Other than that, it's fantastic. Allianz understands that wear and tear in your bathroom can lead to costly repairs and significant disruption to your daily life.
Ah, Allianz.